Hey y'all, I know I've been gone for a little while. Here's a sneak peek of this look. Let's get into how I styled her, shall we? Okay, hey, it's time to slay. Well, this is it straight out the box. It got one of them full scalps, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. Y'all already know I had to do open lace surgery and remove that lace, that extra lace rather, from the lace front because no, it's not gonna go. Okay, so I removed the extra lace and stuff, and I'm like looking through it like, she kind of flat, she kind of bland. Let's do a really low side part, and I decided to do a really cute, classy 60s look, okay? That is, that became popularized in the 90s. And it's also, popular now, because, it was made popular in the 90s and now it's popular, again in the 2020s, All right. So y'all gonna see, how I decided to, style it as I go along. So, I did like some really simple, a really simple swoop baby hair, melted it in place, left some sideburn out, and then I decided to do a really low arching swoop bang. I held it back with a bobby pin, but I'm probably gonna end up doing it with a bobby pin when I wear it, or probably tucking it behind my ear. Yeah, so it really didn't take me long to style this wig. I definitely did a faux hump, because I just was like, dang, this wig is so flat, y'all. Like, oh my god. But the color is really pretty. I think it came out really cute. And yeah, the curls are kind of yeah. It's not my best work, but it's not because I didn't slay, as you can see. It's because it was kind of flat, y'all. Okay? It took me a while to get this video out. I've been gone for a while, ladies. But I am back to tell you about this wig. If I liked or loved or hated this wig, stay tuned to my further commentary. Okay, bye. Hey JuiceDrops, JuicyNashae here. And I'm back to, you already know, show y'all another cute wig, okay? So, she's giving roll. She's giving real doo-wop, okay? What is her name though? Her name is, girl, can I hold the stock card right? Her name is Lily, okay? Lily. And who is she made by? She is made by MotownTress. She is a part of their HD Invisible Lace series of wigs, okay? I wanted that red color on the stock card, so I could just cut up and be red and sassy and fiery. But girl, I ain't feel like doing all that, I ain't gonna lie. So, and plus, I think it was gone by the time I decided to get this wig. So yeah. Anywho, what color do I have Lily in? I have her in the 3T4/sand, okay? Is she giving sand? I don't know, she's giving real honey. Okay, all right. So before I rant and rave about Miss Lily and how I feel about her and all that goodness, let's get into Lily's further details right here. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from Lily's further details, let's get into Lily's 360 right here. Now that we're back from Lily's 360, you already know, let's get right into the pros, okay? Just so you know, I haven't been wearing Lily for a full 24 hours yet. I've probably been wearing her for probably about 5 or 6 hours so far. Even though I haven't worn long, it doesn't take me long to know whether these wigs are gonna hold up and whatnot, okay? So let's go ahead on and get into these pros. Pro number 1 has to be this hairline, okay? If you can get past the full scalp that they just gotta put in this wig, it is the bomb. The lace really does melt like butter, okay? The lace melts and it blends so well, okay? As you know on this channel, anybody who's been watching JuicyNashae for a minute now. Y'all already know that I'm a big fan of MotownTress wigs, okay? Even though it's been a little while since I've done one on this channel, my most favorite two MotownTress wigs, which I like all of them. One of them was taken down because they was hating on the instrumentals in the background, but that's neither here nor there. I like me some MotownTress wigs, but one of them is Sammy. So I'm gonna put a picture of Sammy right here. And the other MotownTress wig that I can think of that I really, really loved was Audie. Okay, I'm definitely going to do a up-to-date version of Audie because it was taken down because YouTube be hating sometimes. This color puts me in the mind of Outrie's Ivana, and I'm gonna put a picture of Ivana right here. Okay, and yeah, it's giving me that same kind of like, you know, just honey, like it's just giving me honey. Okay, so I think that's it for the pros. Now it's about that time where I get in your face for this close. Okay, ladies, now that I'm in your face, Lily is serving real 1960s glam. Okay, all right. This style don't only give you, you know, 1960s kind of glam, but this style also regained popularity in the 90s. Okay, all right. So you already know, only in a way that a 90s baby could possibly serve you is serving you 90s. Okay. So yeah, I had to cut out the full scalp. Okay. This wig does come with a full scalp. You know, MotownTress hasn't gotten the memo to stop wasting their material by providing these full scalps, because I don't know about you ladies, but I don't need it. It creates a line of demarcation probably about right there. They don't bring the full scalp close enough to the lace's edge, you know, to, you know, style it and not have to worry about using a large amount of concealer or lace tint in order to disguise that you got a whole colored whatever material underneath your wig. You bring the ball cap to your hairline, you know, and then you apply your wig and wear it like that. So I don't know why, you know, MotownTress, you know, and Outree Perfect Hairline are still putting full scalps in their wigs. But listen, y'all, MotownTress and Outree, just so you know, save your material. We don't need it. At least I don't need it. And I'm pretty sure most of y'all ladies don't need it. And once you cut the full scalp out of the wig, it actually fits a little bigger, okay? It gives you a little more stretch and leeway so that it is comfortable. I did a simple little baby hair swoop on the side, and I tucked it behind my ear and secured it with this here bobby pin. And then I did a little bit of baby hair feathering right there, because I don't feel too comfortable with my forehead just completely exposed. That's just, I don't know, I needed to just add a little bit of over there, you know. And then I have a little bit of a swoop bang going on here, and it's tucked behind my ear, secured with a bobby pin, and I have some sideburn action hanging on both sides. Okay, let me get this one rogue hair out my lip gloss. Okay, so it's giving real, you know, 60s. Okay, and so when I took this wig out the box, Miss Lily, I wasn't too impressed by the curls, y'all. I just was looking like, ooh, this wig is kind of boring. It's not as, you know, curly. It's not the most curly wig. It's not the most wavy wig that you know, like, you know, or that I'm used to, I guess. So I just was like, I'm not really feeling, you know, too enthusiastic about it. But I say, you know what? It's a really cute color. Let me put on my wig head and just see just how, you know, what type of style I start to see, you know, once I put on my wig head. Put it on there, and I just like, you know what? let me do a 90s/60s retro, style, something simple but cute and elegant with a little bit of humpage, a little bit of bouffantage going on here. Let me get my hump together. Okay. And it came out cute. It really did. It came out cute. Is there anything else that I could show you, ladies, while I'm in your face? Like I said, this lace melted like butter. Okay, look at that. And I feel like that only was made possible by removing the faux scalp. Okay, I think that's it, ladies. Close up over. Let me get out your face. Okay, ladies, now that we're back from the close-up, let's get into these hair cons and then the rating so I can let you ladies go, okay? Alright, so I don't have a long, drawn-out list of, complaints and cons for Miss Lily. So that is definitely cool and great and awesome. But I do have to mention that I've only been wearing Lily for probably about 5 or 6 hours now. And I can give you pretty much what I foresee. But I do have one definite con. And it might be a more like kind of, that I might be responsible for. But it's still a con. And I'll explain why. Alright, so I cut the faux legs. You already know per the close-up and the tutorial. I don't like keeping the full scalp because it creates a line of demarcation, right there just in front of the lace's edge. And none of y'all want that, right? It distracts from, just how cute and realistic the wig looks, okay? But the con comes in at when you cut the full scalp out of the wig, ladies, it starts to shed. Now, I don't know if the shedding is eventually going to stop, because of course it's going to shed because you might cut a couple of hair strands while you're removing the lace, with the scissors or whatever, you're cutting the lace with. So, it's going to increase shedding. So let's just say this wig already sheds, which it probably does. All synthetic wigs shed. Like, that's what they do, right? But you kind of end up increasing it when you remove the faux scalp. So, but I had to. And I say it's a con because we don't need it. I'm telling you, ladies, trust me. If you do the ball cap method, you don't need it because that's what you're doing it for. You know how to do the ball cap method, and you don't need any help with that, right? And if you don't know what you're doing, you don't need it, because if you want to just do a quick pop and go, or if you want to wear the wig, if you don't know how to blend your foundation into the lace like you need it to be, then you might not like the wig because of the line of demarcation that the faux lace, ends up creating underneath, underneath the wig. So, yeah, that's definitely a con. Foreseeable cons is, I did run into a little bit of snagging. Okay, a lot of it of snagging. And so I can only imagine that's going to get a little worse, or if not even worse, as I continue to wear this wig with my clothes and I go and do stuff today. I don't be lying. But snagging, knotting, and tangling is definitely going to come with this wig. And I know it's kind of, I expect curlier wigs to, knot up and tangle a little bit more than what I'm running to already with this wig. But I don't know what's going on. The texture is, probably the texture feels like a really, really soft yaki. So you're going to, kind of run into a lot of, so you will run into, tangling with this type of texture because it's a lot softer. And so whatever you're wearing, whatever you're doing, and the more that it rubs, you already know what's going to happen. Now, I don't know if it's just because I cut the lace but it definitely increased the amount of shedding that I'm getting with Miss Lily. So that is definitely a con. It's a con. It's a con. So, do I have any more cons for Miss Lily? I actually don't have any more cons for Miss Lily, y'all. So, yeah, let's get on into this rating so I can let you go. I rate Lily a 7. Ooh, yay! Yay! I haven't rated a wig on this channel a 7 in a while. Okay, so that's a big deal for Miss Lily. Yay! Alright, so I rated Lily a 7 because other than the faux scalp that you probably don't need, she's a cute wig. Even though I prefer more curlier wigs, she's still a cute, she's still a cute little bop. She's still a cute little, pop and go. She's 13 by 6, so you can do whatever you want with a 13 by 6 as far as the baby hairstyles and updos. So, I still like her, it's still really cute. The amount of hair that you get, you can do a lot with her. You can wear her up, in an updo, a bun. You can, do a lot with this wig. So I didn't want to, rate this wig too low because it deserves a decent rating, because it's really not a bad wig at all. It's cute. It's simple. It gives you a little bit of, curl, so it's not just completely plain, and the color is really cute. There's even some streakage going on back there. Okay, so when I get my room, let me tuck my hair behind my ear. When you do that, you kind of see a cute little streak come out and stuff. When I fling this hair over here, I get a couple of little streaks that come out on this side. So the color is cute. She's cute. And you get a, great, phenomenal hairline once you remove that full scalp. So with that, ladies, I'm not going to hold y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my tutorial and review for Miss Lily. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't already, don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram at JuicyNashae as well. Okay? Alright? Yeah. Bye!